We're joined by Kathy Sherman-Morris, State Coordinator of CoCoRaHS and Mississippi State University Assistant Professor of Geosciences, to tell us about this very unique program. Good morning.
Good morning, Karen.
So you need people to count raindrops or measure rainfall. What are we talking about exactly here?
We're looking for volunteers who are willing to purchase a rain gauge, put it in their backyard, and then report each morning, sometime between 6 and 9 a.m., how much rainfall they received.
Why? Why are you collecting this data?
Lots of different reasons. Lots of people use it. The National Weather Service uses it to issue flash flood warnings occasionally, and that's actually how it started out in Colorado. There was a flash flood that the radar didn't pick up, so increasing the network of observations can help with that. Also, people use it such as to plan bug spraying when there's a lot of rainfall, a lot of ponding on the roads. Places that spray for mosquitoes and stuff like that can look and figure out when to spray.
Is it also used as a follow-up to see how the forecasters are doing?
Different National Weather Service offices can actually do that. They can use it to ground truth their radar and see where the rainfall did happen, especially in like the summertime where you have pop-up thunderstorms, so you can see where they actually did occur.
Can you tell by collecting rainfall amounts what weather trends are making their way through Mississippi?
Yeah, that's a good question. With the network that we have right now, we don't quite have enough observers to really use it to help forecast trends, but that's one of the reasons why we're looking for more people, especially in places like the Mississippi Delta, where a lot of the storms that track through Mississippi get more intense, down along the coast.
Do you know why that is? Why they become more intense in the Delta?
There's different people here actually in our department studying that. So there's some different reasons with different soil types, or not soil types, but different soil uses, different elevations. There's lots of different causes that behind that.
In a perfect world, how many volunteers would you want in the state of Mississippi doing this?
It's not so much how many total, it's the distribution of them. For instance, if we look at Oktibbeha County, we have probably 15 or 20 people signed up, but they're mostly around the city of Starkville. Same thing happened with the city of Jackson. But meanwhile, we have no people signed up in northeast Mississippi. We have few people signed up along Highway 84. Not too many people signed up in the Delta. So we'd really like to get a nice scattering of people throughout each county.
And you started to mention the coast before I interrupted you. What happens on the coast that's unique to that area?
Well, we have sea breeze thunderstorms in that area. That would be the big thing.
How long has Mississippi been participating in this program? And is it a state only, or is this across the nation that different states are doing this?
All 50 states are participating this year. We joined gradually. Mississippi joined in August 2008, and the program's been going on nationally since 1998.
Now, when someone volunteers, are they measuring on an ongoing basis or for a limited amount of time?
We would like them to commit for at least a year. It helps the longer they can participate with, like you said, measuring the trends in precipitation. But we'd like them to commit for about a year if they can do that. We'd like them to report whether it rains or not. There's a place where you can report no rainfall.
All right. Now, someone might be reluctant because they say, well, I go on vacation 2 weeks out of every year. Can they participate if they're going to miss certain days?
There's actually a form that you can fill out if you are going on vacation. After you come back, you just measure the total amount that's in your rain gauge and just report how many days you were gone.
All right. So again, you only need a rain gauge and the willingness to report every day what's in that gauge or whether it rained or not.
And an internet connection, because we do the reporting online.
All right. How do people sign up?
They can go to the website, which is www.CoCoRaHS.org. And there's a sign there that says Join CoCoRaHS.
Now, what does CoCoRaHS stand for again?
That's the Community Collaborative Rain, Hail, and Snow Network.
There you go, CoCoRaHS, just like it sounds.
Yeah.
Kathy Sherman-Morris, I thank you, and I hope you get a lot of volunteers who are willing to watch it rain.
All right, we do too. Thank you for having me.
Good luck. Thanks.
All right, thanks.